Once upon a time, surfing over YouTube events, came to know about YouTube Happy Hour. YouTube Happy Hour in my city, that is Kolkata. YouTube Creators India, YouTube India, we want happy hour at Kolkata. We want YouTube happy hour at Kolkata @YouTube India. Just share it. Friends, please tweet and post with tagging YouTube India. We want YouTube happy hour at Kolkata. Share this with all your friends also.
One eternity later.
Kolkata happy hour 23rd November. Let's RSVP now. YouTube happy hour Kolkata. Yes, but closed. Why? What have I done? What the fuck? YouTube, I'm not going to leave you. Do YouTube support YouTube happy hour. Dear YouTube, I had the worst experience with you. I thought we can forgive each other this time because I was thinking of going to YouTube happy hour, but you just closed the registration of YouTube happy hour without giving me chance to be there. Now I'm not going to leave you. This message is to all the viewers. If I get more than 100 likes in this video, I will kill YouTube.
2 hours later.
We are pleased to inform you that you have been added to the guest for the YouTube happy hour on Wednesday. Now present day vlog YouTube happy hour.
Finally, friends, I got the invitation from YouTube, and so today the meetup or the YouTube happy hour starts from 6:30 to 9:30. So I am going there. I got him. So he's the one which I was talking about. So what is your channel's name?
Decor.
So his channel name is TechCor, and his name is Abhishek Agarwal. So I will give the link in the description box below. You can also get that link and check out his channel. And if you do like this channel, then don't forget to hit that subscribe.
And please subscribe to Indrajit Sharma.
Thank you. So we have left the auto and we are going to meet PR75K. So he is also a YouTuber with more than 13,000 subscribers. I think 13,500 something. So let's switch back to time-lapse mode. So he is the PR75K.
And Decor.
Revealed. Face revealed.
Face reveal. By what? I don't know.
We are take it slow.
He is Anubhav from
Anubhav Roy.
Anubhav Roy.
He's
Gaurav from?
my guest.
He has no channel, but he is a guest. So we are here at the Quest Mall, and we are going to mix. We have left all of them except him, and now we are going to move around on the
Now we are
Quest
waiting
Mall,
for Tech Buddy.
waiting for another YouTuber called Tech Buddy.
A few moments later.
So he is the one, because due to him only we are so much late, and it's
We are 40 minutes late. because of
currently
this boy.
6:38 only.
Yo, subscribe me, Tech Buddy, mwah.
Don't subscribe him.
And please subscribe me also.
Please subscribe him twice. So let's switch back to time lapse. It's been 6:38 as you can see, and we are stuck in the traffic.
We're reaching for the stars. We're making it.
So finally we are at Mex. A huge crowd over there. So let's go.
That's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow, mysterious. That's the part you always show.
So I finally got Roy Tech Tips. What is your full name? So he is Abhijit Roy and he is having more than 75,000 subscribers. And I will give the link in the description box below. Yes. Thank you, sir. हाँ
वो शायद वीडियो आप ही का था ना, क्या
कौन सा
बोलते
वाला?
हैं आई थिंक कि रजिस्ट्रेशन वाला यूट्यूब हैप्पी आवर का
हाँ YouTube Happy Hour का registration.
जब मेरे को प्लेस मिल नहीं रहा था
सुनील केसरी. सुनील केसरी.
नो टेक्नोलॉजी रिडिफाइंड कौन है
Oh, so he is technology redefined.
टेक्नोलॉजी रिडिफाइंड कौन है
So I will give the link in the description box below. You can also check out his channel.
थैंक यू
PR75K.
Photographer, तेरा photographer.
So now what's the time?
7:35.
7:25 हो गए.
35.
35. So it's more than 1 hour.
Show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow, mysterious. That's the part you always show.
So, does anyone here know where the online partnerships, that's my team that deals with creators, where does that team of YouTube sit?
और आप अभी हैप्पी आवर में है, डेटा डॉग नहीं देख रहे हैं। मेरा चैनल का नाम है आपका डेटा डॉग। मैं कोलकाता से बिलोंग करता हूँ डेफिनेटली।
Curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
I met this third time in YouTube Happy Hour. I have met my another subscriber. So what's your name?
प्रकाश ठाकुर फ्रॉम पूजा जिला भाई सब्सक्राइब करते चैनल बहुत अच्छा वीडियो देता है रिव्यू भी देता है और सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल पूजा जगत
Thank you very much.
That's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious.
You know what happened with the Tech Guys? His channel got invalid rights. So what can be done to get rid of?
Yeah, so see, if in case it happens, suspension, that will really be something which you will have to deal with AdSense directly. You will have to fill appeal forms again and again. But in the beginning, what happens is the first time when you get it, you get suspended for a limited time, which is 30 days.
30 days, yes.
So when that happens, you have to be a bit wiser. That second, you have to be like connected to someone at the YouTube support, wherein whenever something is happening, if you like if there is any suspicious activity.
When CTR is going.
Yeah, exactly. So whenever your CTR goes slightly above maybe say 39-40 in comparison to what you have been getting, you have to quickly disable the monetization. That will be first thing. And second thing is to let those YouTube Google support guys know about what exactly the scene is. You might be getting suspended that time as well, but the chances are very high that whenever you'll be appealing back, you will be getting this thing that's in the contract. No, yeah, he has got 2 suspensions. So right now it's permanently suspended. So he will not be able to get it back, but we are working on that. But what will be advised? Yeah. So considering the kind of scene which is happening right now, especially with the Hindi content, honestly. So maybe what you can do is whenever you have anything like this happening, after the first suspension, maybe you can move to an MCN for a limited time. Yeah. Any company, you might have to do your research on that one because there is nothing which is better than AdSense, to be honest. But yeah, you can move there just because you want to save yourself from the risk. So maybe you can be there and join the MCN who is not having any lock-in period. Wherein you won't be having a contract or maybe say staying with them for 2 years minimum. Don't join that. So you have to think. So once you are moving to MCN, maybe say after 6 months or 1 year, you can move back to MCN, and by that time everything will be perfect.
But you say that you should approach the YouTube community center or YouTube support center.
Yeah, you have to keep connected with everyone.
But in case you are a very small YouTuber, YouTube partner doesn't support.
No, so you not YouTube partner, but yeah, maybe you can drop an email to the support team. So I think that will be working better for you. Because there is an option, help and feedback, right? So you can drop everything there.
Because I have also got invalid click activity suspension for 30 days, but now it's ending. So I am literally scared.
No, so just in case you see about CTR, then I would suggest you to
the
disable
fact is,
it.
we don't really check regularly the CTR.
Or I would, if in case you are scared, if in case you would think that you would want to play safe, move to MCN for a couple of months. Any MCN. I know in comparison your payment will be lesser, but it will be safe for you. I think that will be better.
Behind the scenes,
अभी जैसे चारों तरफ जियो के लिए लूट मचा था, अभी हैजल के लिए लूट मचा है, वहाँ पर अखिल के लिए लूट मचा है, सब उन लोगों से बात करना चाहते हैं, इसीलिए हम लोग एक दूसरे से बात कर रहे हैं. सो काइंडली लुक इट टू हिज चैनल, उसका चैनल नहीं पीते हम लोग, आई एम नॉट अल्कोहलिक. ठीक है, सो डू चेक हिज चैनल.
Baby, you should take it slow.
Finally, we are done with it, and now I'm again going back to home. So now giving the reviews of all the event. So food was not very good. It was kind of below average.
Food was fantastic.
No. So we are going in. T-shirt of YouTube from the YouTube Happy Hour, but when I checked it, it was a XXL. So my size is medium or small. So what the hell I'm going to do with this T-shirt? So I have thought of doing a giveaway. Not sure. I might do a giveaway on 5,000 or 10,000 subscribers. So I hope you subscribe my channel so that you can also win that T-shirt. I hope you like this video. Now don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and as always, Shukran, Alvida, Masalama, take care and do whatever do you want, my lovely friends. This is Indrajit Sharma signing off. See you again in my next video. Bye. This is Indrajit Sharma signing off. See you in the next video.